Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on business organization. This is part first. Now come to the question. Question number 1. The structure in which there is separation of ownership and management is called A. Sole proprietorship, B. Partnership, C. Company, D. All business organizations. Here correct option is C. Company. 2. The Karta in joint Hindu family business has A. Limited liability, B. Unlimited liability, C. No liability for debts, D. Joint liability. Correct option here is B. Unlimited liability. 3. In a cooperative society, the principle followed is A. One share, one vote, B. One man, one vote, C. No vote, D. Multiple votes. Correct option is B. One man, one vote. 4. The board of directors of a joint stock company is elected by A. General public, B. Government bodies, C. Shareholders, D. Employees. Correct option is C. Shareholders. 5. The maximum number of partners allowed in the banking business are A. 20, B. 10, C. No limit, D. 2. Here correct option is B. 10. 6. Profits do not have to be shared. This statement refers to A. Partnership, B. Joint Hindu family business, C. Sole proprietorship, D. Company. The correct option is C. Sole proprietorship. 7. The capital of a company is divided into number of parts, each one of which are called A. Dividend, B. Profit, C. Interest, D. Share. Here correct option is D. Share. 8. The head of the joint Hindu family business is called A. Proprietor, B. Director, C. Karta, D. Manager. Here correct option is C. Karta. 9. Provision of residential accommodation to the members at reasonable rates is the objective of A. Producers cooperative, B. Consumers cooperative, C. Housing cooperative, D. Credit cooperative. Correct option is A. Housing cooperative. 10. A partner whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public is called A. Active partner, B. Sleeping partner, C. Nominal partner, D. Secret partner. Correct option is D. Secret partner. 11. At least 10 adults, no maximum limit in case of dash A. Cooperative society, B. Joint Hindu family, C. Partnership, D. Company. Correct option is A. Cooperative society. 12. What is the limit of members in case of a private company? A. 2, B. 7, C. 10, D. 200. Correct option is D. 200. 13. The life of sole proprietorship business is dash A. Unstable, B. Stable, C. Very short life, D. Long life. Correct option is A. Unstable. 14. Provision of residential accommodation to the members at reasonable rates is the objective of A. Consumers cooperative, B. Credit cooperative, C. Housing cooperative, D. Producers cooperative. Correct option is C. Housing cooperative. 15. The capital of a company is divided into number of parts, each one of which are called A. Share, B. Dividend, C. Profit, D. Interest. So here correct option is A. Share. In fact, this question is repeated here. 16. The maximum number of partners allowed in the banking organizations. Here correct option is D. 10. 17. In a cooperative society, the principle followed is correct option is A. One share, one vote. 18. The structure in which there is separation of ownership and management as per law is called. Correct option here is A. Company. 19. Cooperatives play an important role in aerospace, B. Agricultural, C. Manufacturing, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Agriculture. 20. Which of the following is a characteristic of a cooperative? A. Profits are not subject to income tax, B. One vote per share, C. Dividends are paid on a per share basis, D. All of the above. So correct option is A. Profits are not subject to income tax. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Our Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.